Okay, this is Michael's short clip notes on how to use the concatenate function in Excel and the vlookup. The first thing we're going to do is concatenate two cells. So I'm going to concatenate column C2, comma, and the AA2. And I place that there. And then in my vlookup, here's the formula that we use. We start out with the vlookup, the first column in the Excel spreadsheet. We went to the other tab and did that, highlight that whole column, and then we did 1, 1 and a comma false, and then we did an ISNA false, and then we did an if, comma at the end, not found, and quote, comma, quote, quote. And so this is what we get. Thanks.